Hello guys, this is Kirk Roldan once again, and in this video, I'm going to teach you and guide you on how you can make 5,000 US dollar a month with only one client in SEO services. Now let's go here to our Wise account. So this is the amount 5,750 with one of our clients who trusted our services. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can also achieve that amount. Okay? So to get 5K US dollar with one client, first, you need to identify high value clients. So who are they? What you're going to do? So these are the strategy that I'm going to recommend to you. So number one, you need to target industries. What are those industries who are top paying clients? Right? You need to research with that, but some they are in real estate, they are in e-commerce, they are in medical, they are in legal industries or finance, those sort of things. You need to research those high-end clients or high-paying clients. There are a lot of there, guys. Okay? Second, AOV or average order value. So what is the average order value or AOV? So you need to check your website and also your customer. Are they have a higher AOV than average? You need to calculate it, guys, because this is very important for you to know, and you need to check their sales per order, not sales per customer. Okay, sales per order. Who are the customers who spend most valuable amount for your services? Who are they? You need to check them, guys, and you need to evaluate and check that one. Second, we also have this customer lifetime value or CLV. So value is a continuous evaluation. Okay? How much revenue will your top customer generate over time? And how much they are going to get over the course of the relationship with your brand or with your services? You need to calculate that one. You need to know CLV as well. This is very important for you to know and also understand. Fourth, it's called purchase frequency. So how many times they purchase your services every month? You need to check that. You need to know that.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kirkroldanseo.com.
Your most valuable customers, they are the one who buy more and buy often, okay? Continuously to buy your services. Now, according to the research, guys, there are 27 chance of making another purchase after the first purchase. But there's a but there because 54% chance of making another purchase after the third purchase. So you need to know the purchase frequency because people will buy more in the next purchase, okay? Now, let's move forward to develop a unique selling proposition or USP. So anyone here know what is unique selling point or unique selling proposition? So this USP also called unique selling proposition, guys, and this is the essence of what makes your product or services better to other services or to other marketplace out there. If I can compare you or your services to 100 SEO specialists out there, what's your specification? What's the best of you? Why are they going to buy your services? Why I'm not going to buy to your competitors? So you need to have this, okay? First, specialization. You need to specialize on something, on industry. Like on my previous video on how to generate 2K a month with SEO, you need to specialize on something you're good at. Let's say, I love content creation. So you can focus on content SEO. I love technical SEO. You can focus on technical SEO. I love on-page. I love link building. You need to focus on that. You need to specialize on something. And aside from specializing on something, you can also target industry related. So I specialize link building for law firm. I specialize on-page SEO for e-commerce SEO. You need to do it. This is very important. You need to have your unique selling proposition for your services so people will love you, will like your services, and they will choose you compared to other marketplace or service provider out there. Okay? Productization. I have a video about productization, but what productization means? Productization, it's like bundling your services and making it as a product. So you need to find the best services out there and you need to bundle your services and make it as a product. Okay? So from now on, choose what could be the best services that you have, bundle it, and make a profit. You need to understand and know what could be the top products that you have because you can bundle it and sell it as a whole. Okay? Lastly, proven results. Are you providing consistent result to that one client? Because if yes, then that person is easy for you to provide 5K a month in SEO. You need to provide result to that person. Okay, so they will buy more from your product, from your services that you are offering to them. Okay, and lastly, this is one of the most important aspect. Now, this is good for client getting. Okay, client getting. So you need to provide value. This is what I'm doing for my agency right now. And we are specializing white label SEO. I provide value to them. What's the value included? Initial consultation. In the initial consultation, let's say for example, that person posting on Facebook and he has a problem with his website because it's not ranking for doing 1 year of SEO. Then I'm going to contact that person or respond to their post in the comment and then ask them and also fix that problem in the comment box or in private message, and also offer them a free or initial consultation. If you want to learn more, this is an initial consultation, but don't worry, this is a free consultation. You don't need to pay me for this, because once you can provide a free consultation or a consultation for them, they will like you, and after that, after you provide a consultation, they will likely buy your services without you telling them, hey, buy this, buy that, this is the solution, because you provided value to them. So they will also buy something from you. Okay? Second, free SEO audit. So as you can see, some of my posts lately, I offer free SEO audit to my social media channels. Like on my video, I also quote there, if you're looking for free SEO audit, click the link below. Or I also posted on my Facebook or Facebook page or Facebook group that I'm offering free SEO audit. So for example, today I'm going to post free SEO audit and 10 people will add their website, their information, and from 10 people, I can close maybe 2, 3, or sometimes 1. But still, you get client, right? What if there is one client out there who's going to pay you a good money, like a 5K a month, right? That's a good money already. So provide value to them, free SEO audit, very important, and then detailed proposal. Okay, so proposal, what could be the inclusions about your services that you're offering to them, and also the solution like on-page technical or whatsoever. You need to make a customized proposal for that person, not a generic one, because that prospect can detect if that proposal is generic or for him alone. So make sure this is customized proposal dedicated for his website, and include everything, and also the agreement, very important there. Okay, but this proposal is only applicable if you done free SEO audit or initial consultation or outreaching, or depends on your strategy. And also lastly, in your consultation audit proposal, focus on the result on investment for your client. Don't just added the deliverables, but focus on ROI, because that's the important thing for the client. Client don't want to know the deliverables, how you do this, how you do that, but am I getting sales with your work? Then if not, why am I going to hire you? Okay? So focus on your client, provide value, and everything will follow after that. Okay? So I guess that would be all. So if you're looking for more knowledge about SEO, just go to Search Engine Mastery because this is my training and I'm going to teach you how you can do SEO like a pro. This is a systematic SEO approach that you can use for your SEO campaigns. So just click this one, SEO Mastery course, click this or buy all the courses here for a discounted rate of $500 only. That's it for now. If you have questions, let me know. Bye-bye.